Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix 403 forbidden error problem. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your browser. That is problematic. And all you'll do is just go ahead over to settings, okay? Now for Google Chrome, you're going to want to go to the top right, click on the three dots. Now click on settings, okay? And in here, in the left panel, you have privacy and security. Click on it. I got to find third-party cookies. Click on it. Now in here, you just got to find see all site data and permissions. There you go. Now, for example, you have a problem with Facebook. All right, so all you do is just go ahead and use the search bar right here and type down Facebook. Now go ahead and click on the delete button right here. Click on delete. And then once that's done, go ahead and go to the top right, click on the three dots once more, and click on extensions right here, or at the bottom left, you have extensions. Click on it, and in here, what you'll do is just go ahead and remove or disable all extensions, okay? And once that's done, go ahead and close the browser, reopen it, and after that, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.